Forget ChatGPT, forget Gemini, because here is Meta AI. Hi friends, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel V.I Tech Academy, and my name is Ratul. I'm your host for today's video. In this video, we are going to discuss about how you can use Meta AI. So there are 2-3 ways to use Meta AI. We will learn all the ways and we will see how Meta AI will help you to complete your tasks, and why I told at the beginning of the video that forget ChatGPT, forget Gemini, because here is Meta AI. Why I told this you could understand after watching this video. So please watch this video till the end if you're interested to know more about new artificial intelligence. If you want to learn more about artificial intelligence with screen readers, don't forget to check out our special playlist where we are only making videos of AI tools with screen readers. Before starting today's video, I'd like to thank you to all members, those who have joined us as a member. If you want to support us, you can also join us as a member and enjoy exclusive benefits such as early access videos, early reply, and much more. Membership starts at 29 rupees only. Click on the join button to learn more. You can also give us thanks. The thanks button is showing at the below of our videos. So without further delay, let's get started. What is Meta AI? Meta AI is artificial intelligence designed by Meta. Yes, that is simple, right? But what is the different thing, or what we can do with this Meta AI? There are 2 ways to use Meta AI. Number 1, you can just log in meta.ai and you can use your Facebook account to log in there, and you can just do the chatting with Meta AI. It is very similar to ChatGPT. Another way, I'll tell you. Wait, keep your patience, please. Okay, first let us see how we can access and what are the features or what are the options, how is the interface of Meta AI website. For this, I am opening my Chrome. So after opening Chrome, I am just typing meta.ai in my address bar.
Meta selection removed. Meta.ai select Meta AI document.
And it is opened and your focus is going to the edit box. Now this is the most accessible AI for screen reader users. Yes, this is 100% accessible. ChatGPT is not 100% accessible, and Gemini even is not 100% accessible. Bing is not 100% accessible, but this Meta AI is 100% accessible with screen readers. Yes, when you are in the edit box, it is saying
edit focused multi-line, ask Meta AI anything.
Ask
blank.
Meta AI anything, edit blank. So here you can type whatever questions come to your mind. You can type and press enter to send it, and Meta AI will give you the answer. Additionally, you can also generate image using this same tool. So you do not need to depend on Bing AI to generate image or any mobile applications to generate image. We have created many videos about image generation on AI, like how to generate image using AI. But in this Meta AI, you can do all these things in a single platform. So let us just ask some questions. So let me just ask some questions. So I'm just asking, tell me the steps. Sorry, steps
Step 2.
Tell me the steps to start my morning with a fresh mind. Okay, so what steps we should follow to start a fresh morning? So let me press enter and send it, and let's wait for the answer. So when you will get the answer, you will get an alert called loading. Okay, your screen reader will say loading. So let's press enter.
Edit multi-line, ask Meta AI anything blank. Loading.
Okay, so which means we got the results. Now how to check the result? Just press up arrow.
Blank.
Nothing is happening, so go to your browse mode of your NVDA. Press up arrow.
Out of edit toggle button.
Press up arrow,
start
up arrow, up arrow.
Start field press A or drink of blood, spend a day, wake here, menu button, expanded view. Tell me the steps to start my morning with a fresh mind.
Okay, now I'm pressing down arrow.
Meta AI.
Meta AI.
Here are the steps to start your morning with a fresh mind. Step 1. Wake up early. Wake up at least 15 to 30 minutes before your usual time to allow yourself time to relax and ease into
Okay.
the day. Step
So
2.
see.
Stretch or meditate. Spend 5 to 10 minutes stretching your body or practicing meditation to clear your mind and increase blood flow. Step 3. Hydrate. Drink a full glass of water to rehydrate after a night of sleep. Step 4. Get some natural light.
Okay, so this is the result. And now I'll show you, I'll just try to generate an image. So to generate an image, I'm just going to top.
Visited.
Press tab.
New conversation.
Tab.
Imagine visited link.
So just click on imagine.
Edit multi-line. Describe an image for Meta AI. Blank.
Okay, now let's describe the image for Meta AI. So today I'm going to describe. I want. Let's suppose what I could generate. Let's suppose I want to generate an weird image, an aeroplane. Aeroplane is flying,
and
a man is standing on it. I know this is just for testing, so let me send it and let's wait.
Edit multi-line. Ask Meta AI anything. Blank.
Let's wait. What it does. Okay, so it may take some times.
Loading.
I hope image is generated. I'm just going to talk. Let's see.
Toggle button.
Even I did not experience this, so let's see. Let's experience with you.
Toggle menu button and air menu button. The button an aeroplane is flying. Menu button collapsed sub menu image menu. Button an aeroplane is flying. Menu button collapsed.
Okay, there are more images are there. So many images are there. See.
Not press button an airplane is menu button collapsed sub menu.
So let's click on this image menu.
Expanded. Download 1 of 2 report.
Download report harmful content. So just press enter and I think it will be downloaded.
File name combo box collapsed.
Yeah, so you can easily download the images. There is no like save designers and all, like whatever you have to do in the Bing. So these are two major features of Meta AI. If you go settings, you can find 2-3 options, but they are not so important. But still, I'm going to show you. To go to settings, what you need to do. So go to top and press tab until you reach to profile menu. So just press enter and click on settings.
Loading. Settings heading level 2.
Now under settings you can set up the theme,
appearance,
toggle
button pressed auto
button
not pressed light mode,
and dark mode. So let's see, save it to dark mode and
heading level 2 button close.
Then close it.
Profile
just only one settings is there. Another is like delete all the chats. All of the chats you can delete. Okay, so this is the basic use of Meta AI. Now, first time when you visit to this page like meta.ai, you will be asking to log in. You can log in using your Facebook account, or I hope you can also use your Google account to log in. I'm not sure because I used my Facebook account to log in, so you can check it out. Now, the most interesting part of this video, how you can use this using your WhatsApp. Yes, Meta AI is in your WhatsApp. This is the second way to use it. So let's see how we can use it. So now I'm going to open my
WhatsApp window. Search your start.
Though I make my screen a little blur because there are some private information is there. Now I'm pressing tab until I reach to the navigation menu.
Create new filter. Level 1 chats 1 star message. Open searchers. Open navigation button.
Press enter.
Chats 1 of 5 level 1.
Press down arrow until you reach
calls status Meta AI not
Meta
selected.
AI
5 level 1.
Yes. So now press enter here.
Pop-up window. Meta AI is an optional service. Meta AI is subjected to Meta's privacy
so
policy.
This is the optional service. It is saying like it is stating that all of like risk is your own risk and so things. So I am also going to experience this Meta AI in WhatsApp with you guys. So let's experience this. I'm pressing tab.
AI terms link.
Let's press tab again.
Learn more link.
Tab.
Accept button.
Click on accept.
Open navigation button.
And let's see what happens actually. I don't know what is going to happen. I think a chat is open. So let me press tab.
Searcher start a new
Tab.
chat at level 2 me. User he is looking for a customer sale. Create new conversation. Filter chats conversation info button. Meta AI.
Okay, yes, chat is open.
Search within chat. Edit blank. Edit
Edit.
blank. Add emoji. Type to Meta AI. Edit blank.
So just I'm just writing hi.
Hi.
Let's see what answers Meta AI will give us.
Add Meta search within Meta AI. Hi, how's your day going so far? I'm here to help with any questions or tasks you may have.
Okay.
Happy July. Edit 1 unread message 3 of 4. Meta AI. Hi, how's your day going so far? I'm here to help with any questions or tasks you may have. By the way, happy July. Edited 8:28 p.m.
Okay, that's great.
Type to Meta AI. Edit.
So now I'm just asking what you can do for me. Okay, what you can do for me? You can use the same on your phone, I think. So once you are activated this Meta AI through this WhatsApp application, Windows application. I'm using this from Windows, so you can use the same from phone also.
Add Meta search with Meta me. What you can do from 1 unread message. Meta AI can be used in a variety of ways, from helping you plan a vacation to creating art. I'm here to assist you in finding the help or information you need. So here you can get all of the information about the AI. So I think it could be generate the image also. So let me ask to generate some image. So let me ask generate an image of a scene where generate an image of a scene where a person is helping a blind blind person. I forget about English. I forget everything about English. Person.
Okay, so person. What person to cross the road by holding his hand. Okay, so let me just send enter and let's see whether it'll do it or not. Let's just
Meta AI icon me generate an image of a scene. 1 on add emoji talk. Meta search within chat. Meta 1 on Meta AI image 8:30 p.m.
Yes, image is generated. Yes, image is generated. So we need to check, right?
Meta AI.
So let us check whether the image is right or not. So for that, let me download the image first.
Reply copy save as /4 save as Meta AI save as
So
dialog.
I just
edit focus alt plus n selected WhatsApp image 2020.
let's suppose just I'm just giving the name
selection C
road
D-O-R D-A-O-R
and suppose I'm just giving the name blind.
L-E.
Okay, and so I'm
Item
saving
auto
it
TTN,
in
item backups and
some folders and download folder. Let's see.
Documents, downloads, items, Meta AI image.
So I have saved it in downloads folder. Now let's see how will it be. I mean, it is generated correctly or not. To check this, let me open the download folder.
Run dialog. Downloads, items view, last month grouping expand, Beacapire, 1, today, last month grouping expanded. Beacapire, V's early files,
Let
Opera
me
GX
find-
exam with Opera today grouping expanded, blind.j.
Yes, this is the image. Now I'm just opening Be My Eyes.
Start with Be My untitled, first loading, download, start. Be My Eyes window. Describe my screen, keyboard short.
Okay, so now I'm just pressing tab.
Picture using describe picture from file explorer.
Yeah.
Keyboard
So I'm just pressing enter here and upload the picture here.
Items review. Items view list. Screenshot. Once. Documents row. Desktop documents. Downloads. Call items be selected. Line.jpg date files open split. Be My Eyes. Be My Eyes window. Please wait. Be My AI is writing a message. The image shows a scene at a crosswalk in an urban area. A woman wearing a yellow jacket with reflective stripes is assisting an older man across the street. The woman has short, curly hair and appears to be a crossing guard or someone in a similar role. The man she is helping is dressed in a white button-down shirt and dark pants. They are holding hands as they cross the street. In the background, there are cars and buildings with awnings, indicating a busy city environment.
Okay, it's great.
Back button. Question to
So now just I'm asking this AI tool. Is the old man, blind. Is it understandable
Understandably.
by seeing the picture?
Please
Let's
wait.
see.
My AI is writing a message. The image does not provide clear visual indicators that the older man is blind. There are no visible aids such as a white cane or guide dog that typically signify blindness. The woman is holding his hand, which could suggest he needs assistance, but it is not definitive evidence of blindness.
Okay, so almost it's correct, but yeah, we need to give the prompt to this bot to do whatever we want. Yeah, but it is enough. It is
Downloads,
good
items,
because see,
meta.
generating image is not always required for us. Yes, it is required to post something. For example, you are making social media posts, social media content, so that it is required. So this is all about Meta AI. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this content helpful and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like button and share this video with your loved ones. Subscribe to V.I Tech Academy for more useful videos. After subscribing, press the bell icon and choose all notifications so that you'll never miss any upload. That's it guys for the day. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye.